Today I'll be looking at the E-Myth and the 3 business stages as identified by Michael E. Gerber. I'm Tanya Parker of Nosy Parkers. I'm a fan of Gerber's approach and it's one I use when supporting business owners. It's good, common sense business advice. According to the E-Myth, there are 3 stages that every small business will go through: infancy, adolescence and maturity. The infancy phase. Typically at this infancy phase, the business will run the way the business owner wants, but importantly, it won't be run the way the business needs to be run. The owner spends many hours working in the business to make sure it grows, but then they have too much work. The business can't run without the owner, and the business owner can't keep up with the demand as well as managing and directing the business. At this phase, it's really just a job. Most small business owners will give up. It is vital that to be successful and happy, business owners spend time and energy on strategic work. If you don't expand your horizons and employ others, your business will not grow. The adolescence phase. This is when you decide you need some help. You employ others to do the tasks that either you're not good at or you don't want to do. But take care. Do not lose control by keeping yourself out of the picture. If you give control to others without keeping track of what they're doing, it won't be done the way you want it. You'll then decide to take that task back, which brings you right back to the infancy phase. If you don't get the balance right between the technician, manager and entrepreneur, the business might grow very rapidly and in a very chaotic state. It will stumble and fail. You must prepare your business and yourself for growth so you survive and thrive. My advice is for you to write down how your business works, how it runs, your plans and define your future. The mature phase. This is a business that can work without you, the business owner. You have a vision, mission and plans in place covering the company now and into the future. The business has standards, rules, principles and form. It is to be seen as a whole product that has competitors. How everything is done is really important and how it serves the customers is paramount. We've now looked at the fundamentals of the E-Myth, the 3 different personality types of the business owner and the 3 business phases. In my next video, I'll be talking about the franchise prototype. Please get in touch if you'd like our support in developing your business and helping it develop from the infancy and adolescent stages to the mature stage and even to the sale of the business. I'm Tanya Parker of Nosy Parkers. Thank you for watching.